But there are certain demerits also of such an economy, and those are: the state monopoly becomes too much for the people. That is, the government owns everything and it slowly takes the shape of almost becoming like a dictator, wherein you have to listen, wherein you have to agree to whatever the norms are set by the government. The bureaucracy also plays a very big factor because the government officials start becoming corrupt and they start taking advantage of the situation as they become the owners of all the resources which are there in the country. The lack of incentives, that is when the people who work hard in an organization get the same to those who work less or do not work at all, leads to a situation wherein a person starts becoming disgruntled. He does not feel happy about the situation and thus the full utilization of the manpower, this resources becomes difficult in such kind of an economy. The consumer sovereignty is also lost because the government decides that we are going to produce only this, but in other economies we have wider choice of not only the goods which are made in the country but also of those which come from abroad, besides the production which is done by the individuals, that is the private ownerships. This means that the consumers have lot of choices to make, but here the consumer sovereignty is negligible. The occupation of the people also remains very confined. They are used to just taking up the occupation which the government has defined for them, because government defines what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce.